In front of me is Realme 16 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. All you need to do is launch Settings and scroll to hit Google. Now tap on All Services. Scroll again and this time select Autofill with Google. Now click Google Password Manager. Select any password you wanna check and enter your screen lock. Now tap on eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Or select Edit and check it here if it's too long. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!